Welcome to GemCam Pro tutorials, where over 20,000 jewelers capture, showcase, and supercharge their sales every day. In just 2 minutes, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to capture perfect jewelry photos in just one click. Inside your box, you'll find the GemCam Pro and a USB-C cable. To get started with your GemCam Pro, first download the GemHub app. It's free and available on the App Store for Mac and the Microsoft Store for Windows. Once installed, open the app and log in using your account details. Now, connect your GemCam Pro to your computer using the included USB-C cable. The app will recognize your device automatically. You're ready to capture professional jewelry photos in seconds. GemCam Pro combines the most advanced hardware with our in-house jewelry intelligence, giving you perfect focus every time. Just point it at your jewelry. The focus locks in instantly. The GemCam Pro features a precision 9-lens system that works behind the scenes to keep every detail sharp and in focus. Even while spinning, your shots stay crisp, automatically, no settings, no adjustments, just point and click to capture. And just like that, you have a 360 video and 4 images captured in just 15 seconds. GemCam Pro gives you 3 lighting modes, ideal for every type of jewelry. To adjust lighting, simply click the lighting options here on your GemHub app. Yellow light enhances the rich tones and natural hues of your gemstones, as well as yellow gold and rose gold pieces. White light is perfect for diamonds, white gold, and platinum pieces, offering a balanced natural color that showcases your jewelry's brilliance. Blue light delivers exceptional color accuracy for diamonds and clear stones and highlights the sparkle of the piece. Each mode is designed to make your jewelry stand out, no matter the metal or stone. Now that you're all set up, it's time to have some fun with your GemCam Pro. For more helpful tutorials, please follow us on social media. We're so excited to have you as part of our community of over 20,000 jewelers. Together, let's redefine what's possible.